So often, I see people asking about lift kits available for the H3 Hummer. The short answer is there isn't any off-the-shelf kits available. A solid axle conversion is costly and beyond the reach of many H3 owners. The Rancho lift kit is no longer available. New and used kits command high prices, leaving not much other than cranking the factory torsion bars to a maximum height of 23.5 inches when measured center of hub to under the fender arch. Cranking any further than 23.5 will create adverse angles on the CV shafts, resulting in blown constant velocity joints. A simple solution to correct the CV angles is what's known as a differential drop. Lowering the height of the differential helps to correct the drive shaft angles on lifted IFS vehicles. A simple spacer can be applied to the top two side differential mounts, moving it down a maximum of 38 mm. Anything more than 38 mm will require limiting upward travel to prevent the CVs maxing out. The center mount can be dropped by utilizing 4 plates as shown here. It's important the spacing is as close to the 38 mm top spacers as possible, but not as critical as the top spacers. The top spacers determine the overall drop, while the bottom spacer plates control the pinion angle. Small changes in the pinion angle will not have an adverse effect, but still worth paying attention to. Now that the differential drop is installed, you can go ahead and crank it safely to 25 inches from center of hub to the fender opening. More often than not, the factory torsion keys will allow you to get to 25 inches. Sometimes in well-used older models, the factory keys may bottom out before you reach the desired height. This is where ray-indexed torsion keys, also known as lift keys, can help. The ray-indexed keys will allow a lower starting point, creating more twist or load on the torsion bars. Once you have everything set to the desired height, I highly recommend you have your H3 professionally wheel aligned. The rear can be raised via extended hangers or an add-a-leaf helper, airbags, or having the rear leaf pack reset. Still want more height, I hear you say? Maybe consider a 1 or even 2-inch body lift. It's cost-effective and something you can do yourself. If you found this information was helpful, please like and subscribe. Until next time, wheel safe.